morning student. Now today we will see the exercise 5.1, that is index number. So in this example we have a 995, that is P0, and 2000 as P1, because in the question it is written as base year is 995. So we know that P0 base year is represented by P0 and the current year is represented by P1. The question is find the price index number by using the simple aggregate method. So we need the total of this and total of this column. So we'll identify the total of the column, this one. So this is 10, 19, so this is 9, 1 carry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total is 89. 9 and 10, that is total is 109. Similarly, total of this column, so this is 15, 16, 17, 17 plus 5, that is 22, 2, 3, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, 17, 18, 182. Okay, when you check the total, this is 9, 10, 11, 19, 1 carry, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10, 109. Second total. Now we have to divide this one. So we have the price index number using simple aggregate method is P0 naught, P01 is equal to this term into 100. Okay, so you will write this as 182 upon 109 into 100. Okay, this total we need to identify. So we can divide this term. When you divide 182 by 109, you will get 1.669 into 100. So when you multiply by 100, then it will become 166.9. Okay, that is P01. So this is the price index number. Okay, now question number 8. Rest all are similar. Okay, that we have to identify. Now question number 8, we have the quantity base index number. So Q0 is given and Q1 is this one. So we have to take Q0 as a base year and Q1 as a current, that is commodity. So again we have to identify the total of this column and the total of this column. So we identify the total of this. So this is 0, that is 5, then 2 is 4 and 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 785. Similarly, we can identify the column total of this. So this is 5, 8, 15, 20, 28, 2 carry, 1, 2, 3, and 5. 585. So we will divide this term. So first sum of the total is 585 upon 785 into 100. Okay, so then you will get the quantity base index number. So Q01. So first you will divide this term, that is 585 divided by 785. So you will get 0.7452. This is your rough work into 100. So then you will get Q01 is equal to 74.52 is the quantity base index number. Okay, by simple aggregate method. Okay, the next one, that is question number 10. We have to identify the value base index number. So in the value base index number we have P0, Q0, P1 and Q1. That is, we have to use both terms. And we know that the formula for value based index number is V01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0. So that means we have to identify the product of this column, these two column, and the product of these two column. So when you multiply this term, so I am writing here 30 into 22, you will get 30 into 22, you will get 660. Then 40 into 640. Okay, 40 into 16, then we have 10 into this 380, then 700, 600, say 12 5 is 6, so 656, so 560. Okay, again sorry, this is total of P naught Q naught. This is P naught Q naught and this is P1 and Q1. Okay, first column, that is P naught Q naught. Now 14 into 8, 720, then 720, then 15 into 4, 15 4s are 60, 360. Okay, 960, then 25 into 36, 900. Okay, now we need the total of this column and the total of this column. So this sum, that is, this is Q naught and this is also Q naught and this is Q1 and this is also Q1. Okay, so total of this I will write here in this column, in this box, and the total of this will come in the second box. Okay, so we will add this one, so that is, this is 0, this is 10, 18, 18, this is 24, so 4 2 carry, 6 12, 13 14 15 and 21 26 26 27 28. Okay, 2840. Now this is 0, 10, 16, 6 1 carry, this is 14, 15 16 17, 17 17 plus 26, 26 and 1 26 and 36. Okay, 26 plus 1 9 35 and 1 carry, that is 36, 3660. Okay, again you can check the total. Now P1 Q naught, that is 3660 divide 2840 into 100. So this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. You will get 366 upon 284 into 100. So we can write this as 366 divide 284. So we will get 1.2887 into 100. Okay, now this will become 128.87 V01. Okay, this is the value base index number. Okay, go through these videos, okay, and try to solve the remaining sums. Okay, all are similar to this one only. Okay, thank you.